Hi traders, today I brought to you guys another high probability day trading setup. Traders, these setups do not require any higher time frame bias. This is one of the frequently traded setup by me apart from my Asian range London kill zone setup. Traders, you should always bet on this setup when they form on the chart. This setup is based upon SMC entry techniques and shows market willingness to move in its intended direction. One of the best part of this kind of setup is there is high probability of achieving your desired risk to rewards ratio of 1 is to 2 or 3, which mitigates the risk of not achieving your target with another setups. As traders, we must always follow our risk to reward principle. Seriously, our strategies are only successful if followed by good RR ratio. As traders, we often face these problems that prices just return before hitting our take profit zone, and traders become confused whether to exit the position or place the stops at break even or wait for the prices to again return to TP zone without shifting stop loss. Traders, this is market and every kind of possibility is possible here. Nothing is certain here. Sometimes patience could reward you, but at the other times it could ultimately make you book the losses. That's why setup is not everything. It is the experience you gain when you come across different situations and decisions you make while facing those situations. Traders, I find this setup reliable because market moves in its direction after taking maximum liquidity possible. Prices after hitting a POI zone gives market structure shift. And then market comes to take the inducement, which market had formed before MSS. Market structure shift shows the willingness of market to move in the respective direction, but when prices return back and take the liquidity above inducement and again gives internal MSS with fair value gaps, it reinforces our conviction that MSS will be successful. Another beautiful part of this setup is it provides entries with limited risk. As you can see, prices exactly return to the unmitigated order block, which took inducement and then moved quickly to our TP zone. As an expert day trader, we must always look for entries with limited risk, and those entries are only possible if traders could recognize order blocks which has high probability to reject prices. Traders, these kind of setups don't occur very frequently, but when they occur, one should not think twice before placing the trade. These are kind of setups which provide a trader best entries at the exact position. A trader must know to leave setups when RR is not in his favor and patiently wait for the ones when everything is in his favor. Thank you, traders. I hope you understood this beautiful SMC concept of taking entries. I always try to bring high probability winning setups so that even a novice could know what to look for in the charts. Setups are only successful when you can recognize them and then use it in your advantage.